Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2013 EC paper. And the question is, a band limited signal with a maximum frequency of 5 kHz is to be sampled. According to the sampling theorem, the sampling frequency which is not valid. Okay. So what they have given is, the signal is having a maximum frequency of 5 kHz. Right? So we have to follow sampling theorem and the sampling frequency which is not valid. So we have to find the sampling frequency. From that we have to find the one which is not valid. As per sampling theorem, what is sampling frequency? Fs must be greater than or equal to 2f max. So what is 2f max? 2 into 5 kilohertz. This is 10 kilohertz. So 10 kilohertz is the minimum sampling frequency as per Nyquist theorem. So it is whatever be the frequency which is greater than 10 kilohertz are valid. The frequencies which is less than 10 kilohertz are invalid. So this is 12 kilohertz valid, 15 kilohertz valid, 20 kilohertz valid, because these are all greater than 10 kilohertz. But you see, this is 5 kilohertz which is less than 10 kilohertz. So it is not valid sampling frequency. So the answer is option A, because the question asked is not valid. This is valid, 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 invalid. Okay, thank you.